Good evening guys, so ito yung project scenario natin, making a game schedule for Mobile Legends tournament that will be held in Dabsuprak using combination without repetition and exception handling in C++. Every year after Christmas break, the sports committee in Dabsuprak are making a Mobile Legends tournament. All courses allowed to join this tournament including are the BSI, TBS, BA, ABS, WMBEd. To make this tournament exciting and interesting, the sports committee requires that each team will face each other without any repeated matches and not fighting themselves. So guys, dito nga every year daw yung sports committee is nagpapalwal sila or nagpapa-tournament sila ng Mobile Legends after ng Christmas break sa lahat ng courses sa Dabs of Warak. Because of this tournament, a lot of students made their team and trained themselves for the tournament to win the competition, and also show their skills and gameplay to others to compare what they need to improve and do more for the competition. So guys, yun nga, alam nyo guys yung scrim, yun yung maglalaban-laban kayo ng ibang team, parang training para sa competition is alam nyo kung ano yung kahinaan nyo, ayun yung kalakasan nyo para makapag-training kayo. For this tournament to become organized and easy to handle, the sports committee asked help to Kaitan, a IT student in Dabsuprak, to make a game schedule for the tournament using C++, program that can automatically generate a game schedule more faster and efficient for the Mobile Legends tournament. So sabi dito is, yun nga, para maging organized daw yung yung game schedule is nagpatulong sila sa IT student na si Kaitan para gawin yung C++ program na lilitaw kung agad-agad yung mga game schedule ng mabilis. So, ang lalabas dun, so si Kaitan ginawa niya yung task ng maaga para sa tournament. So, he did the combination without repetition for making a game schedule and for the program that he will make. For example of combination without repetition is this: A versus B, A versus C, A versus D, B versus C, B versus D, and C versus D. So, ganun yung combination without repetition. Wala siyang nakakatapat na kaparehas niya. The setup for this is A versus B is the same as B versus A. So, only one of them should appear. This is called combination without repetition. So, guys, yun yung combination without repetition. Yung wala siyang nakakatapat na kaparehas niya. And then, Kaitan also wants to be the program to be safe and secured. So, he adds a exception handling in C++ to catch these mistakes. This mistake includes if the number of team is less than 2, the program should stop and show a message invalid input. There must be at least 2 teams here. So guys, pag mababa sa dalawa yung linagay mong team, ang lalabas is invalid input. There must be at least 2 teams here. If a team is empty, the program should stop and show a message again. Error, team cannot be empty. And then if 2 teams are the same, the program should stop and show a message too. Error, team must be unique. If any other unknown error have occurred, it should say an unexpected error occurred. So guys, ito yung yung mga lalabas na error pag mali yung linagay natin sa C++ or pag mali yung linagay ni Kaitan sa sa program niya. Kaitan uses a try-catch block in C++ to catch these problems. He also writes a function to make combinations. The function uses a loop to pick one team, then match it with all the teams comes after the list. So, yun nga, gumamit siya ng try-catch block para para magawa yung yung program. And then, yung function na to is gumagamit siya ng loop, which is pag tinype mo lahat ng team, lalabas ganito siya. After finishing the program, Kaitan tests it with 4 teams: Riot, Bern, Cisco, and Detroit. The output is Riot versus Bern, Riot versus Cisco, Riot versus Detroit, Bern versus Cisco, Bern versus Detroit, and Cisco versus Detroit. So, yan yung lalabas nun, guys. The program works smoothly. Loop siya nun, guys. Yung biglang dire-diretso siyang lalabas na nakalatag na ganyan. Then Kaitan tries enter only one team. The program shows the error invalid input. There must be 2 teams for the program to work. So, guys, pag naglagay ka ng team na isa lang or mababa sa dalawa, ito ulit yung lalabas. Invalid input, there must be 2 teams for the program to work. He tries to enter nothing or 2 names that bring 2 same names. The program show the right message is. So, tinry niya ni Kaitan na maglagay ng same name. So, lumabas yung tamang message kung ano dapat ba talaga ang ilagay mo. The sports committee is now glad and thankful to Kaitan because having an organized schedule for the tournament makes a great and exciting competition for the student in the Dabsupora. And this kind of method will be used every year for competition and not just in Mobile Legends competition, it includes all sports. So yung program na to is magagamit siya hindi lang sa Mobile Legends tournament kundi sa lahat ng sports. All he learns of this is to his professor Sir Kennedy Malyari who teaches him the C++ and discrete structure, and Kaitan is thankful for that. So yun nga, natutunan ni Kaitan na to sa professor na nagturo kung paano ba gawin yung C++ and yung discrete structure. This is simple but smart project helped both Kaitan and the Dabsupora. So itong program na to is natulungan di lang si Kaitan para mahone yung kagalingan niya sa pagko-code, kundi pati yung Dabsupora para maging secured and safe yung game schedule nila and mas madali gawin. So guys, yun. So after nito guys, papakita ko na sa inyo yung codings. So guys, papakita ko sa inyo yung code ngayon. Dahil, sorry guys, di gumana kasi sa laptop yung Dev C++. So nagka-technical error tayo. Kaya linagay ko lang sa cellphone. Which is dito ko na lang siya explain. And dito siya gumana. So guys, yung vector yun yung siya yung nag-hold ng array or nag-hold ng information sa mga variable natin. Which is yung mga team name natin. And string. And then try catch block naman guys. Yung try naman siya yung, yun nga, tatry natin if gagana siya. And then ito throw natin siya. Pag tinrow naman natin siya, dito sa throw. Si throw naman, siya yung magsasabi if valid ba or invalid. And then, ika-catch niya ito ni catch. Pagka-catch niya, si catch naman, siya yung pagkakuha niya if mali ba or error to, ibabalik niya sa'yo. Ibabalik niya sa'yo para ayusin yung error na ito or para mapalitan yung error na to. So guys, run na natin siya. So guys, ilan ba yung team natin kanina? Diba 4 sa scenario. So 4. Lagay natin Riot, Vern, Detroit. Cisco muna pala. Cisco and then Detroit. Ayan guys, yan yung loop. Yun yung function na ginamit ni Kaitan na loop, which is ayan, game schedule, Riot versus Vern, Riot versus Cisco, Riot versus Detroit, Vern versus Cisco, Vern versus Detroit, Cisco versus Detroit. So, pinapakita dito guys na, yun nga, combination without repetition siya. Wala siyang katulad na, wala siyang nakatapat na kaparehas niya. And then, try naman natin guys yung yung, kanwari, 1 yung ilalagay natin sa team. So, lumabas. Invalid input, there must be 2 teams for the program to work. So, mali na Guys, try naman natin yung guys. Yung, yun nga, kung parehas yung lalagay nating team. Mare, Riot. Error team must be unique. Yun ang mali natin. So, yun guys, yun lang yung natin, yung codings natin. And, thank you for watching. Bye.